Hi and welcome to my channel, Luba Homemade Food. Today I'm gonna show you a very interesting recipe. It's vegan carrot balls. So this recipe is suitable for vegans. It's a sweet, lovely, easy to make dessert, and you can really surprise your guests with this. So to start, we need raw carrots, peeled, washed, about 150 gram. Desiccated coconut, we're gonna use about 50 gram, and then we're gonna use another 30 gram to roll the balls when they're ready. I've got here toasted whole hazelnuts. We're probably gonna need about 20 pieces. Vanilla, I'm gonna use half of this. Coconut milk, we're only gonna use 2-3 tablespoons and 70 gram of sugar. Okay, so first we're starting with the carrots. We're gonna grate them on the coarse part of the grater. Then we're gonna add 70 gram of sugar. We're gonna heat this directly, don't add any water. We want all the water from the carrots to completely evaporate, and they get nice and golden color, and they become soft and sticky. We need to constantly mix. This is very easy to burn if you're not careful. So just keep stirring as often as you can. I start from on a high heat, and in a minute I'm gonna reduce the heat. Now you can see the water, how much water start getting on the side. Now I'm gonna drop the heat a little bit. So nice. I can smell carrots, I can smell caramel. Right, after good mixing, and then this took about 10 minutes, now the mixture is ready. And until hot, we're gonna add the coconut, and then we're gonna return and mix once more for a minute or so. Okay, so 50 gram, and then about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Now we're gonna return it back to the hob for a minute. Now let it cool completely. We're gonna give it a good clean here, and we're gonna assemble the carrot balls. Now the mixture is cool enough to handle. I've added another 3-4 tablespoons of coconut milk to make it sticky, so we can shape the balls. So using your hands, you take approximately this much, and then you add 1 whole hazelnut in the middle, and then close it gently like this, gently roll it, and then you can dip it straight into the coconut, and this is now ready. And then we continue with the rest. Now our carrot balls are ready, and I can't wait to try. Look at it inside. So good. This is so good. They're brilliant. Really nice.